Hey boys, I'm going to help you with this question here because I think it's probably the most difficult one on the whole sheet, and you have to estimate the radius. And how do you do that mathematically? I don't want you to cheat by looking up the sizes of the planets. You can do some pretty decent and skillful maths here. So the first thing to do is to realize that you are estimating. And you are looking at the radius size. Do you know what the radius is? If I take a planet like this, it's a distance from the middle to the outside. So on Earth here, from the middle to the outside is 6,000 kilometers. That's quite a lot. If I try and look at Earth there, and I said, right, there's the middle. I can get my pen. There's the middle. I'm going to try and show the outside there, and I've got to fit 6,000 kilometers into that. Or maybe if I just split it up into 3 lines, each of these lines here is 2,000 kilometers. That distance is 2,000 kilometers. This distance is 2,000 kilometers. So then maybe if I got Mars there and I put it up against here, Mars looks to be around about half the size. So if I said, right, Mars about half the size, maybe it's 3. Just get my okay. And then Pluto, if I grab Pluto there and I copy that, and then I zoom up on Earth again and I put Pluto in there, how big is that? Maybe that big. I don't want to give away too much. But this is how I suggest you guys try and do some skillful estimates here. Earth, if it's 6,000 in diameter, if I copy that, that means the whole of Earth is 12,000 across. So if I let me just see if I can make this work without stuffing it up. It's a bit hard. I'm going to have to just increase my size. The whole of Earth is 12,000. Find out halfway on Jupiter and Saturn and just go, right, 12,000, 12,000, 12,000, 12,000, 12,000 until you get to the middle. You could just repeatedly line up Earths like that there on your paint program. Different ways of trying to do it, okay? You've got a number of days to do this, figure it out. So you may as well get a little bit creative and clever about it. I think that would be a really good exercise. Right, that's it for now. Thanks, boys. I'm going to go Shift Windows Q, bring this to an end.